Alright, multiply fractions. This is actually pretty simple. So let's look at the example I set up. 1/4 times 3/5. The first step in multiply fractions would be to multiply the numerators with each other. So our first numerator would be 1, and our second numerator would be 3. So to get our answers, numerator, we would multiply 1 times 3 to get our new numerator, which is 3. And the second step would be to multiply our the denominators with each other, which are the numbers on the bottom. So our first number's denominator is 4, and our second number's denominator is 5, so 4 times 5 to get our answers. Denominator would be 20. So the answer would be 3/20. And that's it. It's that simple.